is a cosplay of the century. Hello and welcome to my totally professional tutorial on my gold mask cosplay. It should be called a cosplay. I don't think it's good enough to qualify as one, but hey ho. If you didn't know, we done a Elden Ring 7-day subathon, and if we were there on the morning of day 5, then I had to do a gold mask cosplay. I don't think it could have gone any better. I can't lie. I didn't think we'd be here today. I'm very, very grateful that we are, and I've had the most wonderful time. But I didn't really think this through because I didn't think we'd be here. This is what we're doing today. This is gold mask. I didn't think we'd be here. Here's the plan. This is how we're gonna execute this. Paper plates, scissors, paint, tissue paper. I got tissue paper to blend it all so it looks smooth. We have a full fucking stack of paper plates. We have all of the cotton buds. We have tissue paper. We have sponges. I got my brushes. Oh, if I put, I've cut it like this, and then if I put little cuts like that throughout, they turn into like bendies. Then we've got little bendies to stick. Oh, my face is too round. I've got to sit and fucking rage at Elden Ring with this on. Yeah. Oh no, it's coming together. I need to make sure that I don't get my hairs in it, because then Lana will be bald. I have like 1 million little, oh, you can see if I do that. Wait, let me brush them down. Look at all these baby hairs. So I have to be careful. Oh my god, it's stuck to my baby hairs. And we don't want, oh, a gap in the middle. Bald Lana. So we put latex where you want to stick. We put it on the paper. We let it dry a little. God, it stinks. If you're wondering what it smells like when you open a can of tuna. That's what it smells like. It is very stinky. I feel like one of those things from Jurassic Park. There's like those things. And then, oh, does that fit? Yes. Okay, we let dry. Oh no, I think it's in my little hairs, guys. It's in my little baby hairs. Oh, and it's drying. I need to be fast. Fuck the baby hairs. Oh my god, that liquid latex is like strong. Imagine. Oh no, it does peel off. Should I put this on YouTube? It's a tutorial. Then I can become a beauty YouTuber. Okay, step 1. You want to have your paper plates, huh? And your liquid latex. Cut that shit up. Stick it to your face. Fucking facelift from that. Look. Oh my. I don't like a cat when they're trying to squeeze for a little hole. And they're like putting their face in a glass or something. Just chew your mouth open like a cow and just catch it in your plate for later. No one freak out. No one freak out. Okay, I am a trained... I literally am as well. This isn't cap. I'm a trained professional. Do not do this at home. I have qualifications and many years experience. Do not do this at home. Cotton buds next. Look. Haha. Please stick. Oh no. Please stick. Please stick. Success. Hello? Are you impressed? Look at my skill. So we take liquid latex, tissue paper. We lay the tissue paper in the latex. And then we use to blend. You see this? It's like a paste. I don't want wrinkles, so I need to smooth. This reminds me that I need to buy some moisturizer. Are you seeing my wrinkles? Are you the son from Teletubbies? No, look. Is it loud? Oh, I can't laugh. I'm not COVID-19. I'm not the sun. I am this guy. There we go. That'll solve those questions. I still have got another layer to go, so let's not get too comfortable. Let's not get too brave. Now we're using strips for the tutorial. We're using strips on the latex. Foundation is how you blend this yellow color with your skin. So use your foundation shade, whatever that may be, to blend. You'll see? Oh wait, it looks really grey still. This isn't sharks and minnows, obviously. obviously not wag. Does this look like sharks and minnows? I think it's, yes. This is good progress. Is this a whale from Wheel of Fortune cosplay? No. Do I need to add it to the list? This is done. This is where the magic happens. I do have an actual gold as well, but I think we'll start, oh, I think we'll start with yellow. It's yellow. It looks very warm. Okay. The yellow. The yellow is going on. I can barely move my mouth. I am not the sun! Out of here. Blue. Thank you. This is going so well. For the plan that I had in my head, this is going so according to plan. It might not look like that for some of you, but I can assure you, this is everything I wanted and more. I am not a Teletubby-san! Do I need to add Teletubbies to that list too? Wouldn't it be great if I made a YouTube video of how to do this, and whenever you search gold mask cosplay tutorial, this popped up? So this is how you do an eyebrow. This is how you cut your eyebrows. Told you I'm a beauty YouTuber now. Snatched. This is really coming together, isn't it? Although this bit does look a bit weird, but we'll deal with it. Should I get rid of the eyebrows? Yeah. Why am I even going around my eyebrows? I should have blocked them out. That would have been fun. I'm getting such sensory heebies from the painted eyebrow. Is this gold? Is this my gold? Give me the gold. Gold. Give me the gold. This is the gold, but it looks bluish. You can see it's like shiny and gold, but it looks more just grey. This is where we add texture. You're very orange. Are we discovering Donny T's makeup routine? No. I'm yellow! Why does everything keep looking really like green at the start? Any more yellow in this? Ah. Warmer lighter cut. Yes! I'm cooking. Perfect. Is it me or is it going green again? I think we need some more yellow going on in this area now. About here? That's better. Perfect. This looks cursed in real life. Do you remember why I said we're not going to call this a cosplay? Oh. I've got like a little flap. I mean, it kind of looks... I think I'm gaslighting myself into thinking it's okay and it's not. Look at me. Do you like it? I can't smile. The smiling has gone. And I've got like a bit going over my lip, right? I've got some eyeshadows. If I do it just on the outside, my eye will look like the circle of his little circles. Okay, this is progress. Oh my god, this is gonna look so trippy when I'm in the small cam. I don't know what else to do to... Oh, hang on, let's do this. Yes, I am starting to look a bit like an alien. That one was too dark and I fucked it up. Is that like roughly enough or too much? Okay, finishing touches. Don't look at yourself from the side. Look at my chin. Look at my chin! And I still can't laugh properly. I don't look like myself. I don't look like me. We have to spend the whole day like this now. Don't notice difference? It's because I am just... Ow. I'm just a ray of sunshine. Yeah, I have to wear this all day today. But you all have to look at it. I did it! Looks just like it. Isn't it great? I did it! Look at me. Look, Mom! How has it come to this? Oh my god, I look like I'm trying to fly away. I can't cry, I'll ruin it. Look at me! If I could get him to dance, it would be even better. Oh. No, because you don't see all of my hard work into the cotton pads. You need to see the hard work I put into the cotton pads. Took me fucking ages. Okay, this is the last one, then I'm going to clean up and we're actually going to play the game. Doesn't this look great? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's one of those fucking crocodile flying things that I hate. I fucking hate those. I feel like everyone said I'm everything except the thing I'm trying to be. I posted an improved version in Discord. Fire! Hello. So there you have it. The ultimate gold mask tutorial in case you ever wanted to turn yourself into the most beautiful sunflower, COVID-19, Teletubby, baby, you name it, with anything except gold mask. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for some more Elden Ring content, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. hurt so much.